Immersive Tech boosts customer experience. Immersive technology is reshaping customer experiences through virtual, augmented, and mixed realities, particularly addressing challenges amplified by the COVID-19 pandemic. Immersive realities. AVR adds digital elements to the real world. VR immerses users. MR combines AR and VR for unified experiences. Challenges for businesses. Selling products faces limitations, increasing customer hesitancy and affecting effective product showcasing. Resolving issues with technology. Immersive Tech overcomes pandemic barriers. Nike's AR app and IKEA's VR tool provide engaging product interactions. Implementing tech. Strategically integrate AR, VR, or MR. Use apps and 360 tours for delivery. Transform physical objects into digital data. Immersive Tech enhances satisfaction, redefining the shopping experience, a valuable asset in the evolving business landscape. Looking for a technology partner? Contact us today, sales@talgoworks.com.